The 2021 Kermadec Islands earthquakes were a series of earthquakes with magnitudes of 8.1 and 7.4 that occurred at 19 hours 28 minutes and 31 seconds Coordinated Universal Time on the 4th of March 2021. The epicenter was located south of Raoul Island in the Kermadec Islands, part of the New Zealand outlying islands. The earthquake was preceded by a magnitude 7.4 foreshock and followed by a magnitude 6.1 aftershock. A separate, unrelated magnitude 7.3 earthquake occurred off the coast of the North Island of New Zealand, approximately 900 kilometers to the south, several hours before the main quakes. The Kermadec-Tonga subduction zone runs east of the Kermadec Islands and marks the boundary between the Australian and Pacific plates. This convergent boundary is where the denser Pacific plate subducts or dives beneath the less dense Australian plate. The main 8.1 magnitude megathrust earthquake occurred at 8 hours 28 minutes and 31 seconds NZDT on the 5th of March 2021 along the subduction zone due to reverse faulting. The USGS estimated that the rupture zone was 175 by 75 kilometers in area. The main shock was preceded by a magnitude 7.4 foreshock less than 2 hours prior, at 6 hours 41 minutes and 25 seconds NZDT. About 6 hours before the main quake, at 2 hours 27 minutes and 36 seconds NZDT on the 5th of March. This earthquake was considered an independent event. A flooding warning was issued due to this quake, which was rescinded before the other quakes hit. There were no reports of serious damage or injuries caused by the earthquakes. The volcano webcam on the island ceased to function from 8:24 NZDT on the 5th of March 2021. The main quake led to tsunami warnings being issued around the Pacific, as far away as Peru, but particularly for the North Island of New Zealand. Thousands of Kiwis evacuated to higher ground. NEMA said the first waves were due to reach New Zealand at around 9:49 am local time. With flooding expected along the west coast, the tsunami land threat was dropped at 1:27 pm NZDT to a beach and marine threat. Tsunami heights measured by GeoNet were around 35 to 40 centimeters. Waves were reported in Norfolk Island,